What's up, guys? So back with another video. Today we got a Tesla Model 3 video. This is a wireless charger. I'm gonna pull out the details on my phone as I don't know the complete. It's the first 20-watt wireless charger that I've seen. Current price is $54.99. I think the price is a little high and I might be able to switch it up for you guys. They did reach out to me on this. This is a sponsored video in the sense that they paid for the product, but it's gonna be my own thoughts. It is 20 watts, as you can see, which is kind of cool. Comes with all this stuff. That's the company name. I'm gonna show you guys the QR code on the back that you can scan for Amazon. And I'm gonna try to grab a coupon and see if I can get this you guys a little cheaper. This is just the unboxing portion of this, and then we're gonna do a little bit of an install because it's a little bit more complicated. Now, the first reason why I even accepted to take this was the look of it. It's got a true carbon fiber look. There's no, you don't have to wrap it to give it this look. I think it looks very sexy. My whole car is carbon fibered out. You got standard plugs on the back. And this does not have the, how shall you put it, the grippiness. It's kind of, it feels like real carbon fiber, to be honest. It's very, very, very light. So I'm gonna put that to the side. Comes with the user manual. I guess we'll take a quick jab just to see what it does look like. Now, it's only gonna work with the quick charge when you use what I'm gonna show you. I'm just gonna show you here real quick. The manual, I really don't need it because I basically do know how to set it up. That's what comes with it. Now, so we got some junk here. The usual, if you're happy, not happy card. We got this 3M sticky tape. I'll show you during install. What's up, Giz? What's up, Gizmo? Baby Yoda. Let's just say hello. So yeah, you got, this is the splitter that everybody that owns one of these knows about. You plug this, just Tesla Model 3 has two USB ports. This will swap it up. One is data and one is power, one is data. Sorry for that little hiccup. And then you get another one for your other USB port, so you don't got to tie up all your USB ports. Now, what makes this guy a little different is this thing. This is gonna plug into your cigarette lighter that's located inside your console. And then what you're gonna do, there's a couple of ways you can do this. I think I'll link a video down below where Tesla, I can't remember his name, but he did a video where he took the molding off the side and ran the wire through. I'm not gonna do that method because I don't wanna take the car apart, but I'm just gonna hide it along. You'll see when I do it. But basically you run this in the cigarette lighter and then you're gonna run this wire and then this is gonna be underneath your console. And then you're gonna plug the included quick charge 3.0 into, I'm doing this one-handed, so you're gonna plug that in like that. And then your two USBs are gonna go in there, and that's gonna give you true 20-watt charging. All right, so let's go out to the car and let's see how this goes. Okay, so we're back and we're inside the Model 3. I'm kind of like ghettoing this together, so to speak. I really don't have the right camera hardware to really get you guys the best views on all of this. But we got this. Just gonna save this to the end. Maybe I can pull the camera in. Right now, this is really the most important part of this entire thing. Now, you guys are not going to be able to see where I'm plugging it in, but hopefully you'll be able to see how I can tuck it. It's just a cigarette lighter where I'm putting my hand behind here. There's a 12-volt adapter, and we're going to pop that in. Light turns red when it's on. Now, what I'm going to try to do is find the best spot See, and then I want to go underneath here, and you can pick that trim up, and you can pop it under. Again, this is not the neatest. If you really do want to open up your console, I think it was Tesla Latino or something like that did it. If you want to go through all of that, you know, by all means, you want to take your thing apart. I reached out to a few other companies that sell these wireless chargers, and yeah, I'm trying to bring you guys some content, but some of this stuff is not cheap. I'm having some technical difficulties here. For some reason, my center console here was jacked. There we go. It's because of the carbon fiber. Anyways, so we're going to unhook what I currently have set up. Throw that over there. This is some eBay $20 one. You know, God knows what it actually does output. I don't think it ever successfully charged my phone, but for 20 bucks, I mean, I couldn't beat it. Nobody wanted to send me anything, so I was like, you know what, whatever. I'll just buy something for 20 bucks and get something cool. Anyways, so back to this. Enough of my rambling. I got it up to there, I should see. I want to try to get it around here. Yeah, I'm probably going to play with this after, but I'm just giving you guys a basic idea of how this is going to work. Then underneath like that, basically, you can see me tucking, hopefully you can see me tucking away. And then, yeah, basically like that. And then what the tape is for, we got this. And remember, we got this end here, which we're going to plug in the QC3 adapter. That goes in there. Fortunately, this doesn't have any lights. So then we're good there. Now, I'm going to use the splitters that came with this unit versus the others. One won't look the same. Anyway, I'm going to put the splitters in. Splitter. Splitter. Now, if you didn't want to do all this work, you could just plug it in and, you know, boom, it's going to work, but you're not going to get the 20 watts. You're not going to get 10 watts each or 20 watts total, whatever you want to put it into words. Now, what the 3M is for, the 3M is to put on this so you can stick it to the bottom of here. That way you can simply plug in, you know, as you go. Maybe I should bring this in just so I can angle it up. So we're going to go down with this. Oh, I got it upside down. Really doesn't matter, thankfully. Beauty's doing this live on camera. All right, there we go. We're in. You know, like I said, it looks a little ghetto. I mean, I could probably gonna play with it and run it a little better, but for video purposes. All right, now we need a piece of that 3M, whatever I did with it. Here we go. We're gonna take that and we're gonna put it underneath there. Slap it. We're going to take this out. It's always be good to have nails to do this. I'm sorry if you guys can't get the full there we go, the full view, so to speak, but like I say, working with what I have. So right now that's stuck up there. It works. All right. What we're actually going to do now, you could do a couple things. What I'm going to do, I'm going to bypass the splitters. Actually, let's drop the splitters down below. Since we don't need anything else but power, we're going to take this guy out to make this easier. But I'm just going to plug them directly into here. Now you guys can change this up if you wanted to, if you wanted to use something else that drew power. In my case, I'm not using anything else to draw power. So now I pop that in. Lights on the unit come on. I might bring you guys into the car to show you that we are charging and whatnot. All right, let me bring you guys into the car with me. But I got that running there. Wire basically comes under. It's going under, and then coming out there. You got that. And then I just let it drop down below. You got that. You got the charging LED, as you can see. I'm going to take my phone off so you can see it not charging. Oops, sorry. Charging. Pop it on the other side. Charging. Can make it come out that way, you guys can see. So that's charging. Now, it's up to you guys if you want to run the cables a little differently than this. I'm probably going to do something. We'll see. Anyway, this is a short video how-to. Alrighty, guys, if you like this video, please do leave me a thumbs up. Share it around. Help me get some more Tesla content. I'd like to bring some more to you, get some better filming equipment for inside of a car. I haven't been doing this very much at all, just because the Tesla is cool and has a lot of stuff. Only reason why I'm bringing this stuff to you. Alrighty, guys, so please, thumbs up, subscribe. Leave your comments down below if you have any ideas of me to hide this wire without taking off this. I really don't want to take this off, but if there's no other way, I may do it. Alrighty, guys, so see you in the next one. Peace. Again, thumbs up, subscribe, leave some comments for me. Alrighty, guys, see you in the next one. Laters. Peace.